Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. It's already the beginning of November and the weather in Taiwan is still wonderful. However, it will change by next weekend as a cold front approaches. Today, it's 30 degrees Celsius with a clear blue sky, making it the perfect weather for a trip. Our journey took us to the owoce persimmon orchard, nestled in the beautiful landscape of Xinpu in Hsinchu. We have visited this place a few times in the past. Maybe it's not that big, but it's a great place to visit. In comparison to our visit last year, there were significantly more people this time, as well as greater amount of fruits. The boss of the farm treated us to delicious persimmon popsicles. 冰淇淋很好吃，谢谢老板。This orchard holds within its embrace a century-old tradition of crafting dried persimmons, a specialty of the Hakka people. We found ourselves amidst a sea of vibrant orange persimmons, each basking in the sunlight and undergoing the meticulous drying process. The aroma of sweet persimmons filled the air, inviting us to explore this cultural treasure. The method behind this age-old tradition is a testament to the dedication and hard work of the local community. From hand-picking the fruits to the delicate peeling and charcoal grilling, each step embodies the essence of craftsmanship. Did you know that there are several different types of persimmons harvested? You can also take a walk around the farm to observe the growth of persimmons. If you find yourself in Taiwan during the persimmon season, the enchanting place is an absolute must visit. The season lasts from October to January, and November this year seems particularly fruitful, making it the perfect time for a visit if you are nearby. Later on, we found some food in the town and continued our exploration. We also visited Hakka Old Street, but I will share more about that in the next video. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe for more cultural explorations. Until next time, bye!